Hello, sweet friends. Thanks so much for joining me on today's video. This is going to be a collaboration that is going to be hosted by Melinda Plain and Simple. So go over and check out her channel. And we're excited to get another playlist going as our original host is taking a break. And I will make sure I have Melinda's channel listed in the description box. And make sure you check out the playlist of all the other wonderful content that'll be in that playlist. So today I think we're going to go ahead and clean out my coffee bar, especially my espresso machine. So come along while I do that, and let's get on to today's video. This is how I clean my espresso machine every couple of months. Sometimes every, once a month to 2 months. I like to give it a good clean, scrub everything out. There's a little filter that you change that goes into the water. So I do that every couple of months. So that goes in this little dealie. And it snaps up in there. And then this goes down into this tank where your water goes. I already scrubbed this out, so it's nice and clean. And then you put this down in, let me show you, there's like a little tiny area right there in the middle that sticks up, and that's where you put your filter. So that stays in your water. This is your water tank. So that'll be good to fill up. It'll be all ready to go. Let me kind of dry off the outside. Gotta take care of my machine because it sure does take care of me. Kind of a tip when you're cleaning your coffee machine too, use paper towels. That way you're not staining your, kitchen towels and having to wash them sooner. So I just kind of dry everything off and see the excess that you get off of that. So that would be on your towel. So just a little tidbit there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of dry these with paper towels because you're always going to have coffee residue when you clean your coffee machine. So this is the part that goes into the bottom of the machine. Along with the tray, kind of where your water collects and your sludge collects. So I do clean this more weekly, but I just kind of wanted to show you what I do with the cleaning part. Okay, that's the tray. I think that was it. Yeah. So this assembles like this. So you got your tray on the bottom. And then this goes on top. Put it over this little lever thing. This is actually a reminder when this gets full with water. This will pop up and it says empty me. So you want to make sure that's right under this little opening. And then same with this, that opening goes right there. Cool. So let's go put this on the machine. There's a little storage area under your machine right here, which I love. So I keep kind of my other cups under there, you know, for my you know. So anyways, this then goes in here like so. Whoop, that popped out. Hang on. There we go. So that's nice and clean. And then I will put this espresso holder. There you go. So I clean that out real good. It comes with different 1 cup, 2 cup little, that's to hold your espresso. So I pop that in there, and then that's all clean. And then the water tank goes back here. So let me grab that. I'm actually going to fill that up. Even though I have a filter, I still use my filtered water. Alright, so this goes on the back here. Like so. It kind of just slides down in there. And there we go. So there she is, all ready for the next espresso. So excited when I get her all cleaned up. Also, I wanted to mention this really cute bin. This is for your fridge to keep all your meats and cheeses in. So I keep this for my sandwiches. There's 3 different layers, and I keep my meat at the top, and then the second layer is like slices of cheese and then shredded cheese at the bottom. But anything to do with making a sandwich. And then this all clasps together. And so you have it in one little container. You just want a sandwich, pull this out. You got everything for a sandwich. I got this at Amazon, so I will be sure to link that if it's available. Just wanted to mention my little bin. So this is my office where I keep a lot of my office supplies and tape, and each drawer has its own little area. But I wanted to show you, this is what I came up with for my sticker system. And I want to be able to bulk this whole. I've got like a little storage bin in here, and I went to Walmart and found these little like zipper pouches. So with each zipper pouch I have a theme. So this is everything animals, so like cats and birds, and you know, you get the drift. Here's birthday, so birthday, faith crosses. I've got fall Halloween, Here's a food section, love and hearts. I've got a miscellaneous in here, nature and flowers. Then we've got sayings and letters. Stars are 4th of July, and then winter and Christmas. I am definitely going to add to this theme-wise as I go, but back here is just extra stuff for now. But as I buy my stickers, I'm going to add to this little bin, and that way, you know, say I just need birthday to put in a birthday card. Go to birthday, grab it out of here, find what you need and use it, and then put it back. So that's my little sticker system. Maybe that will motivate you to find a sticker system, or if you're into stickers or planners or anything, this might be a great option for you. So just an idea. I just wanted to show you what I do. I'm really getting into the organization part of it and finding simple and clean ways of doing things. That way I know what I've got and I don't have, you know, anything extra that I'm not using. Thanks for joining me. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.